Hello, how's it going? Today I'm going to be talking about ocean pollution and why it's time to clean up. Ever since I was a little kid, I've been going down to the beach constantly, all over the summer and even sometimes the winter when I travel up to Florida or travel down to Florida. And one thing that annoys me the most is the trash in our ocean and how it affects us and sea animals. Um, So today I'm going to be giving you a rundown of why we need to start cleaning up our oceans. Problems with ocean pollution. Marine trash hurts both marine animals and humans. It may not seem like it, but small organisms feed on tiny bits of broken down plastic called microplastics. And then after they eat it, it then goes into their skin and into their tissue, which then the next larger animal eats it and it works its way up the food chain, eventually becoming part of the food that we eat as humans. Ocean oil spills is another huge thing in our society today. As you may know, in 2010, we had the largest oil spill in U.S. history, called Deepwater Horizon, which was an oil rig in the Gulf of Mexico. It was the largest oil spill, and it resulted in 134 million gallons of oil in the Gulf of Mexico. Fishermen had to back away from at least 88,000 miles away from Deepwater Horizon, and it was a tragic accident that killed thousands of marine mammals, sea turtles, and destroyed their habitats. And the one problem that we had about it is that it was very hard to clean up. It took over 120 days to clean up all the oil, and there's still some left in the ocean today. Now, solutions to how we can clean up plastics and trash and stuff off the beach. Well, the first thing we can do to get all this stuff out of our ocean is to use less. Use less plastic water bottles, lids, straws, grocery bags, things that we only use, once, and then we get rid of them. And it after a while it accumulates into large amounts, and sometimes you wonder where it goes. And some places, they don't do well with their disposal, and so places such as Indonesia and other third world countries just throw it into the ocean. Another solution is donate to companies who can clean our ocean. As you can see, this picture on the right is a picture of 4Ocean, a company that is huge with cleaning up the ocean, and they sell a few things on their website, and every time you buy something, they pick up a pound of trash out of the ocean, it's huge, and it helps clean our ocean every day. Over the past time, they have cleaned up over 77 million pounds of trash, and have recycled most of it. A way that how I help clean up the ocean is every time when I go down to the beach and back, which is quite a bit, is I at least pick up 5 things off the beach to bring back, to at least throw away or dispose. This is a great way to just, clean up and do my fair share. And I feel like if I think this way, there's got to be other people just like me doing the same thing, cleaning up as much as possible. And in this, we can, if more people think like me, I feel like we can really make a difference in cleaning our ocean. And then here are my sources. Like I said with the solutions, just as myself going down to the beach, I've just seen a lot of trash, and it's sad to see like balloons being washed up and water bottles, just things that, it's not good to see. And you have to think, what's it going to be like in 20 years from now? Are we going to make a difference by cleaning it up, or is it just going to get worse and worse and worse? So thank you. Here are my resources, and hope everyone's staying safe and have a good day.